Therapists worldwide who are already working with ImuPro appreciate the numerous benefits. Along with his test results, the patient received comprehensive documents, making it easy for him to change his diet. The ImuPro Complete, which tests for 270 allergens, even comes with a tailor-made recipe book. With a personalized guidance, the concept is easy to follow, and since the effects often show up soon, the patient can keep up with the necessary compliance. In many cases, the patient's migraine or IBS already improves after a short period of time, leaving not only him but also the therapist satisfied. Satisfied patients guarantee a thriving practice. Chronically ill patients are seeking for relief. If the therapy according to medical guidelines wasn't effective, ImuPro could become an important tool for you to help your patients. ImuPro can not only cure your patients, but it is also mandatory in preventive medicine.